Can you get Pinky now? Ouch. Ouch. Hey, not me. Oh, what do you see? What do you see? She just noticed you, Caden? No. No. Mm-mm. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Here. You can have Pinky. Here, take Pinky. Not my hand. Kill him. What is that sound, huh? Where's that sound? Where's that sound? She remembered you. She just saw you again. You can't get her. No. He is off limits. He's safe in my head now. And there goes my knee again. What you got? What is that? Oh, you scared the crap out of him, huh?